Today, we're creating a bold supernatural look using the glowing devil wings effect. This gives your character sharp neon wings that instantly add a dramatic fantasy style transformation to your video. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on the clip to select it. Now, head to the effects button at the bottom of the screen. Next, go to body effects and look for the glowing lines category. Inside, you'll find the devil wings effect. Tap to apply it. Immediately, neon devil style wings appear behind your subject, adding a strong supernatural vibe to the scene. To customize the look, tap on the effect again to open the adjustment panel. You'll see the color slider. Use this to change the glow color of the wings. Pick fiery red for a classic demon aesthetic, or switch to purple, green, or blue, depending on your theme. Once you've adjusted the color to match your style, preview the clip to see how the glowing wings animate with your subject's movement. And that's it. You've successfully added the glowing devil wings effect in CapCut Mobile. Use it for cosplay edits, fantasy scenes, Halloween videos, or dramatic character reveals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.